So these were new to me. This is EcoAir's Desiccant dehumidifiers, and where they're different to a conventional refrigerator style dehumidifier is that, to start with, they're ever so light, which is the first thing. Secondly, and probably most importantly, they work very well in cold environments, whereas refrigerant based compressor designs don't. They tend to become to their full potential as we get up to sort of centrally heated warm days and things like that. So if you're trying to do your laundry, for instance, and you're hanging it in a space, these will actually generate warmth inside as they're working. In fact, heat, you'd say. So warm air will blow out, which helps, for instance, if you put it close to laundry. It'll dehumidify the air, and there's multiple settings you can do. So you'll have clean dehumidified air coming out, but it will work perfectly well in a low temperature environment. So if for some reason there's any issues with black molds or anything like that, which is obviously terribly current, they can deal with all that kind of thing. They've got different designs, as you can see. They've got a Which Magazine Best Buy, Which Magazine Best Buys, Good Housekeeping, all that sort of thing. You've got water tanks at the base that just pop out and they can be emptied regularly. You've got various levels for fan, and on some you've even got, you can enter dryness levels for the humidity, so you find a perfect humidity level just for you. But you can also have them on constant for laundry mode, so you can literally put it by your laundry and it will just go on constantly, and it will throw up some warm air as well, so that warm air helps even better in drying your clothes and things like that. But yeah, they're perfectly respectable, in fact very well awarded, decent dehumidifiers. Ideal for like a single room, ideal for a couple of rooms, and ideal for a whole flat, for instance, because they'll just generate more and more dehumidifying. Bigger water tanks, and they can even be permanently plumbed out with a little hose, so if you wanted to leave it in and just plumb the water out into a space, you could do, but don't let it freeze or anything like that, of course, but you could. So yeah, EcoAir's award-winning dehumidifiers, light and very effective.